Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about MDCAT Test 2025 Chemistry MCQs Quick Revision Part 1st. Dear students, if you need MCQs for MDCAT Test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Fructose and glucose can be distinguished by dash. Option A, Benedict's reagent. B, Sylvanov reagent. C, Filling's reagent. And option D, Burfoyd's reagent. So the correct option is B, Sylvanov's reagent. Explanation is Sylvanov reagent test is basically a chemical test that distinguishes between aldose and ketose sugar. Ketoses like fructose react more quickly than aldoses, like glucose, to produce a red color. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Ribose is an example of option A, trioses, B, tetroses, C, pentose, and option D, hexose. So the correct option is C, pentose. Ribose is a 5-carbon sugar essential in RNA and ATP. Which biomolecules are referred to as staff of life in the given? Option A, protein, B, vitamins, C, carbohydrate, and option D, lipids. So the correct option is C, carbohydrate. Explanation is carbohydrates, especially starch, are a major and fundamental source of energy for most living organisms, making them a staff of life. Minimum number of carbon required for a monosaccharide. Option A 1, B 2, C 3, and option D 4. So the correct option is C 3. Explanation is the simplest monosaccharides are trioses, which have 3 carbon atoms. For example, glyceraldehyde and dihydroxycetone. The monosaccharide found in some bacteria and occurring rarely are dash. Option A, trioses, B, hexoses, C, tetroses, and option D, pentoses. So the correct option is C, tetroses. Explanation is while trioses, pentoses, and hexoses are common, 4-carbon sugar tetroses are relatively rare in nature and are found primarily in some bacteria. So this is very important MCQs. Most of the cellular secretions are dash in nature. Option A, glycoproteins, B, glycolipids, option B, glycoproteins, C, nucleohistone, and option D, proteins. So the correct option is B, glycoproteins. Many secreted proteins, especially those that function outside of the cell, are modified with carbohydrate chain. Example is antibodies and many hormones. These are called glycoproteins. Interconversion of carbohydrate, protein, and lipids in living cells are example of option A, coordinated catabolic activities, B, coordinated anabolic activities, option C, both A and B, and option D, anyone. So the correct option is C, both A and B. Explanation is the metabolic pathways in living organisms are interconnected. Catabolic pathways break down molecule. For example, breakdown of carbohydrate for energy, and anabolic pathways build up. For example, synthesis of lipids from excess of carbohydrates. So these processes are tightly coordinated. In living organisms, the lubricant that protects against damage resulting from friction is option A, carbohydrates, B, fatty acid, C, water, and option D, protein. So the correct option is C, water. The water molecule acts as excellent lubricant in biological systems. For example, in joints, water-rich synovial fluid reduces friction between bones at preventing wear and tear. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. An amino acid that does not form an alpha helix is option A, asparagine, B, tyrosine, C, tryptophan, and option D, proline. So the correct option is D, proline. Proline's rigid structure disrupt alpha helix formation. The amino acid that synthesize many hormones, option A, valine, B, phenylalanine, C, alanine, and option D, histidine. So the correct option is B, phenylalanine. Explanation is the precursor for tyrosine, dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Animals' fats are dash at room temperature. Option A, liquids, B, gases, C, solids, and option D, none of these. So the correct option is C, solids. Animal fats are primarily composed of saturated fatty acids, which have straight chain that pack together tightly, resulting in a solid state at room temperature. Plants' oil with more unsaturated fatty acids are typically liquids. Majority of the monosaccharide found in human body is dash. Option A, D type, B, DL types, C, L type, and option D, none of the above. So the correct option is A, D type. Explanation is the enzymes and metabolic pathways in the human body are stereospecific and are designed to recognize and utilize D isomer of sugars. The reagent used for distinguishing a reducing monosaccharide from a reducing disaccharide is dash. Option A, Fehling reagent, B, Barfoed's reagent, C, Selivanov reagent, and option D, Benedict's reagent. So the correct option is B, Barfoed's reagent. Barfoed test is used to detect the presence of monosaccharide. It uses copper acetate in acidic medium, which is reduced by monosaccharides but not by the disaccharides under the test conditions. The product of hydrolysis of starch by amylase is dash. Option A, glucose, B, soluble starch, C, maltose, and option D, sucrose. So the correct option is C, maltose. Explanation is amylase enzymes break down starch into smaller sugar molecules. The primary product of this hydrolysis is the disaccharide maltose, which is 2-glucose unit. Fermentation is the degradation of complex organic substances into smaller ones by the activity of living cells through the agency of dash. Option A, acid, B, alkali, C, oxidizing substances, and option D, enzymes. So the correct option is D, enzymes. Fermentation is a metabolic process that occurs in the absence of oxygen. It is carried out by microorganisms and involved the action of various enzymes to break down of organic compounds. Amylopectin contains option A, beta-1,4 and beta-1,6 linkage, B, beta-1,2 linkage, C, alpha-1,4 and alpha-1,6 linkage, and option D, alpha-1,2 linkage. So the correct option is C, alpha-1,4 and alpha-1,6 linkage. So amylopectin is a highly branched polymer of glucose. The straight chain are linked by alpha-1,4 glycosidic bonds, and the branch point are formed by alpha-1,6 glycosidic bonds. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। The product of the hydrolysis of starch by amylase is dash. Option A, glucose, B, soluble starch, C, maltose, and option D, sucrose. So the correct option is C, maltose. Explanation is amylase enzyme break down starch into smaller sugar molecule. The primary product of this hydrolysis is disaccharide maltose, which is 2 glucose unit. Thank you for watching my videos.